Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just drive cars or play chess, but actively transforms how you run your dropshipping business. Shocked? Intrigued? Welcome to today's digital revolution. In the next few minutes, we're about to dive deep into 7 AI tools that are reshaping the dropshipping landscape. These aren't just tools, they're game changers, elevating businesses from mundane to exceptional. So if you've ever wondered about the secret weapons successful dropshippers are using, or if you're just curious about the fusion of AI and e-commerce, you're in for a treat. Why stick around? Let's just say, by the end, your dropshipping game won't just level up, it'll redefine the rules. Let's embark on this illuminating journey. Number 1. Overlow. Ever tried navigating a ship without a compass? Sounds daunting, right? That's what's diving into the vast ocean of dropshipping feels like without the right tools. Enter Overlow, the compass you didn't know you needed. Now, what makes Overlow stand out? Picture this. The digital marketplace is bustling with millions of products. Where does one even begin? Overlow, powered by sophisticated AI, sifts through this massive trove, handpicking those gems that are not just popular, but trending. It's like having a personal shopping assistant that whispers, "Hey, this item's a hit right now. Consider adding it to your store." But wait, there's more. The dashboard. It's a thing of beauty. For many, the metrics and numbers can be overwhelming, almost like a foreign language. But Overlow's interface is intuitive, guiding you with clear visuals and simple insights. Want to know how a particular item is performing? Or perhaps you're curious about your overall sales trajectory? Overlow presents it all cleanly and crisply. In a world where time is of the essence, Overlow understands the essence of time. That's why its automation features are a godsend. From product imports to order tracking, tasks that once ate up hours are now handled in mere minutes. In a nutshell, Overlow isn't just a tool, it's your dropshipping ally, ensuring you're not just floating, but smoothly sailing in the vast e-commerce sea. Number 2. Swho. Picture this. The vast, buzzing world of e-commerce, brimming with potential, yet equally daunting with its maze of suppliers and ever-shifting market trends. Enter Swho, your reliable compass in this dynamic realm. But what makes Swho stand out in the crowded marketplace of dropshipping tools? Firstly, Swho isn't merely a tool. It's more like an ally. Its AI-driven market research capabilities a treasure trove for any budding entrepreneur. Instead of you tirelessly scanning the internet, Swho's advanced algorithms sift through a universe of products, spotlighting those niches brimming with potential. The genius here? It ensures your store is perpetually in sync with the market pulse, giving you an edge in the competitive landscape. Moreover, a common hurdle for many in dropshipping is unearthing genuine suppliers. With the digital realm teeming with options, discerning the genuine from the dubious is no small feat. Swho brilliantly addresses this. Its AI meticulously curates a list of suppliers, ensuring reliability and quality at its core. So instead of navigating a minefield of uncertainties, you're presented with a clear path of trusted partners. In essence, Swho is more than just a dropshipping tool. It's a strategic partner, geared to make your e-commerce journey not just successful, but truly enjoyable. Simplified operations, genuine connections, and real-time market insights. Swho delivers it all with finesse. Number 3. Spocket. Let's chat about a little secret in the dropshipping realm, shall we? Ever heard of Spocket? If not, you're in for a delightful revelation. Imagine a tool that doesn't just aid your dropshipping journey, but propels it to new heights. That, dear friends, is Spocket in a nutshell. Now, why all the buzz about Spocket? For starters, it's not your run-of-the-mill platform. This gem is powered by AI, the brains behind its brilliance. With Spocket, it's like walking into an exclusive art gallery. Each product is carefully curated, ensuring not just quality, but uniqueness. No more sifting through pages of products only to find the usual suspects. With Spocket, you're offering something fresh, something that stands out in the crowded online marketplace. But the magic doesn't end there. Pricing, often the Achilles heel for many in e-commerce, is made simpler with Spocket's AI. It delicately balances the scale, ensuring you offer competitive prices without thinning out your profit margins. And here's the cherry on top: automation. Imagine a world where order processing, inventory checks, and even tracking are all handled with seamless efficiency. It's not just about working smart, but also freeing you up to focus on scaling and strategizing. In a world bustling with tools, Spocket emerges as the elegant maestro, orchestrating your dropshipping business to perfection. Simple, sophisticated, and oh so effective. So when diving into dropshipping, why paddle when you can sail with Spocket? Number 4. DSM Tool. In the galaxy of dropshipping tools, DSM Tool emerges as a bright star, especially for those seeking a blend of efficiency and optimization. Let's unwrap its offerings. Starting with the basics, product listings are the lifeblood of any online store. DSM Tool's AI-driven product listing feature ensures that your listings aren't just visible, but magnetic. Think of this: this. Automated product descriptions that are not just detailed, but tailored to your audience. Enhanced titles that capture attention. And most importantly, SEO-rich content that boosts your product's visibility in search results. It's like having an expert marketer, writer, and SEO specialist all rolled into one tool. Venturing deeper, pricing isn't just about numbers, it's a strategy. In the fluid online marketplace, where prices fluctuate with alarming frequency, DSM Tool stands as a sentinel. Its AI-driven repricing mechanism diligently monitors both suppliers and competitors, ensuring your prices remain competitive. And it does this while making sure your bottom line isn't compromised. So while competitors might engage in a race to the bottom, DSM Tool's AI ensures you're always in the sweet spot, attractive to customers and profitable for you. Indeed, in this age of instant gratification, speed is the name of the game. DSM Tool's AI chatbot isn't just a tool, it's your virtual salesperson. It doesn't just respond, it engages, leading your customers through the sales journey, addressing their queries, and even suggesting add-ons or upsells. Imagine enhancing customer experience and boosting your sales, all while you sleep. That's the power of DSM Tool. Number 5. Dropified. Ever felt overwhelmed by the intricacies of dropshipping? Welcome to Dropified, the magical tool that's a game changer in this domain. Think of it as your own digital genie, powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, ready to grant all your e-commerce wishes. At the heart of dropshipping lies the art of product selection. It's not merely about having products, but curating the right ones. Dropfield's AI seamlessly bridges this gap. With an intuitive interface, it helps you handpick items, aligning perfectly with market demands and customer desire. Imagine having a personal market guru, guiding your every choice, ensuring every product is a potential bestseller. Transitioning to the logistical labyrinth of order fulfillment, Dropified stands as an unmatched ally. The tool automates intricate processes, right from customer data input to real-time shipment tracking. It's not just about saving time, it's about precision and customer satisfaction. No more manual errors or dissatisfied customers waiting for delayed orders. Dropified isn't just a tool, it's your comprehensive partner in the dynamic world of dropshipping. Efficient, insightful, and invaluable. A trifecta that's hard to beat. Dive in and let Dropified redefine your dropshipping narrative. Number 6. Avasam. Avasam stands as a beacon of simplicity in the bustling dropshipping arena. Why is it so sought after? At the outset, Avasam's AI prowess simplifies the daunting task of supplier selection, handpicking those that perfectly fit your niche. No more sifting through endless lists. Avasam ensures you're connected with the best. Next, when it comes to inventory, the platform shines. With real-time updates and predictive restocking suggestions, it feels like having a vigilant inventory manager on board. Lastly, Avasam's order automation ensures precision and punctuality in every order delivery, epitomizing customer satisfaction. In essence, Avasam weaves simplicity with efficiency, a dream for any dropshipper. Number 7. Ali Dropship. Ali Dropship has become a cornerstone for dropshippers tapping into the vast AliExpress platform. Here's why. First, Ali Dropship's AI is like a savvy marketplace scout, seamlessly combing through AliExpress to spotlight top-performing products. With a swift click, these hand-picked items are ready to feature in your store, complete with detailed descriptions and vivid images. Second, the intricate art of pricing gets a tech touch. Ali Dropship's AI-driven pricing algorithms analyze myriad of factors, ensuring your prices are competitive yet profitable. And to round it off, it's not just about sales, but also after sales. The platform's AI-curated email campaigns make customer engagement and retention a breeze, from cart reminders to post-purchase check-ins. In the fast-paced dropshipping domain, Ali Dropship is like your trusted aide, always a step ahead. And there we have it, a whirlwind tour of AI in the dropshipping world. Exciting, isn't it? Remember, the future isn't something that happens, it's something we shape. So equip yourself, innovate, and be the trailblazer in your niche. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, keep those digital sales high and ride the waves of e-commerce success. Catch you on the flip side.